Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to know if someone has saved your number on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp app and then open any conversation you wish to. Then tap on the name of the contact on top. Now over here, if you are able to see that person's profile picture and their status, this means that that specific person has already saved your number on their WhatsApp account. Now, in some cases, some people may alter their privacy settings so that only their contacts can see their status as well as their profile picture. So if someone has set their privacy settings to only my contacts, which means that only their contacts would be able to view their profile picture and status. If they have not saved your number, you won't be able to see their profile picture and status. So in this case, I am able to see this person's profile picture and status, which means that this person has already saved my number to their contacts on WhatsApp. And this is it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.